Hey there guys, Zach here from Winbeta, and welcome back to another video. Now today we're taking a look at Windows 10 build 10,525. This is the first preview build for Windows Insiders that is part of the Windows 10 update coming in October later this year. This update isn't set to include many huge changes, but it will include a few new ones as well as a number of under-the-hood improvements. So today's build is kind of beginning that process. This build has one noticeable feature and one under-the-hood change, which I'm going to talk about in this video. So let's dive straight in. The first and only real change in this build is the fact that you can now enable colored title bars. Now in this build it's kind of broken. I'll admit I've been trying this out and it's a little bit buggy. But if we open up personalization here and go into colors and go down to so here you can see here we got a number of colors here. If we scroll down to this option, show color on start, taskbar and action center, if I enable it, you'll now notice that when I open up File Explorer, I now have a colored title bar. It's no longer white, which is something many people did not like in the RTM of Windows 10 and indeed its preview builds. But now finally I can customize its color. I can select any color here, so if I want yellow I can have yellow, and it didn't update. So let's click it again. Yes, and then we see there, it's now yellow like everything else. So that's kind of the only surface change. There is one under the hood change, which is to do with memory management. So in Windows 10, Microsoft has added a new concept in the memory manager called a compression store, which is an in-memory collection of compressed pages. This means when memory manager feels memory pressure, it will compress unused pages instead of writing them to disks. So in short, this reduces memory usage and kind of makes your system faster, only when it's needed though. So if you thought Windows 10 was fast in the RTM, this under the hood change will make the build even faster for you, make Windows 10 even faster. There are a few issues in this build. Mobile hotspots don't work. An update to movies and TV application from the store will be required to fix an issue with the video playback. So much like the Windows 10 mobile build that was released recently, video playback doesn't work out of box. You have to update the app from the store, which is perfectly fine. And optional language packs will not be available during the initial launch of this flight. So if you're somebody who downloads an English version of the build, but then installs your own custom language pack on top of it. I say custom, just your own language pack. You can't do that in this build straight away. That'll be coming later. So other than that, this is kind of it. This is build 10,525. This is the first of hopefully many Insider builds coming to Insiders that include a number of new changes. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye-bye.